So let's just go to a recap of today. Obviously, you can see this P&L. So basically, I fucked myself today. So we can watch that. Quick recap. My last filming stopped about here. I was down about $100 at this point, which sucked because I'm an idiot. So I don't know why I was trading. Make sure you can hear me. So we started out with this. I was early, caught that on film, was patient, waited for the pullback, got that bottom tick, lucked out there. It's like the bottom, lower of the day, got that 10 points. I was up, 250-ish, 230. Told you guys I was going to stop trading, and then proceeded to have zero discipline. Chopped up here, don't know what I was thinking whatsoever. I think I was actually trying to read into this ADX rule too much, but my settings were off. So like, look at that VWAP, it's a straight ass line. There is no trend whatsoever. But because of the settings were, I guess, too acute, like it was counting this as like a small trend and giving me a false signal. So again, using indicators when you don't know what they mean or the settings get you in trouble. So obviously you can see here, this is the definition of consolidation, flat VWAP. For some reason I was making trades in here like an idiot. We got this break which basically faked me out. So we got this break in the pullback. I went short, went my direction a bit and came back. So I added another, then it proceeded to just go in the other direction, stop me out there. So now I'm down pretty decently. We come back up, we have this pullback, and then I go long, boom. Now this right here was nasty. This happened so fast in the middle of the day. Let's see if we can come look on it on the 15. Like this happened so fast. And then of course it just rockets back up to my take profit. So like, look how perfect this came down and took out my stop loss and then bounced immediately back up. My stop loss had been like a pip shorter. I actually would have been able to profit on this trade. So, but I should have never been trading at 145 anyway. So it's my fault. Fuck me. So that's what happened there. I moved my stop losses and made it bigger because I wanted to give myself some room here. My stop loss would have been like right around here, but I wanted to get out of this traffic, so I moved my stop loss to right here. I wanted it to get to below this volume level. Anyway, game took me out, immediately reversed in the other direction. And so since I moved my stop loss longer here, that was bigger than a 5-point move, so I lost more there, and then also doubling up these contracts killed me. So really just an overall horrible day. I came in pretty confident, pretty happy. We had a good morning. I was up, and then as per usual, I messed it all up. So let's come look over here, look at the P&L. So now it's basically a third, a little less than a 33% drawdown right now. I mean, it's actually just 3 good trades, to be honest, so it's not the end of the world, I don't think. I don't think I'll blow this out. Well, maybe it depends on whether I continue doing what I'm doing. But realistically, I'm 3 good trades. I'm three wins away. So maybe I just don't suck and we can see what happens. Go to today's performance. Ugh, look at that. Killed it. 10 trades, only 2 winners. And like 2 grand in losses. Not too much positive here. But what is positive is that if we just look at this whole month, obviously, I'm down 1,500, 1,700. If you factor in all the fees. But if we look at the distribution of profit or loss per time day, if I were to only trade in the morning, and these are pre-market, like if I trade that opening range in the morning, we can see that's really my only profitable time. 9:30, 10, 10:30. So basically that first hour. And that's where I would say I'm done for the day, and then I come back to the church. So, you know what I need to do is just get the fuck off the computer, at 11 o'clock, 10:30. I think my trend strategy is sound, but only with that volume. Only with the opening morning volume. Only when there's not random news or tweets or other things that just come out in the middle of the day that just, stop you out and move in your direction. There's just too much shit going on and not enough volume, and just anything can go wrong. So I think this tells a pretty clear story that this is the only time I need to be on the computer. And if I don't adhere to that, then that just means I don't want to make money with this. I just want to throw money, burn money. And so I just got to keep reminding myself. So I know this playlist is going in like my first 100 trades playlist. And so we're almost halfway there. 43. And down 33% in the account. But remember, these 33% is 3 winning trades. I could size down, but to be honest, sizing down doesn't. It's not going to affect my discipline. I made mistakes in the micros too, so it's not a thing of sizing down. When I size down, sometimes I think, it's only $25. I can lose as much as I fucking want, and I just so yeah. Anyway, tomorrow's tomorrow. I'll be back here again. I really didn't even want to upload this shit, but I'm going to, because I told myself I would upload everything. So maybe a year from now I'll come back and look at this video and laugh. So anyway, out. All right, good morning. The day is just about to get started. I added another indicator. Basically average directional index to kind of help me put a number or quantity to the strength of a trend. So I'm going to start using this. I wrote down some of my trade rules right here for entry and exit. The ADX crosses 25, which is beginning of a trend move. To get in, either pull back to the VWAP, or if it's at open, sometimes I can use the breakout of the VWAP, but only at the open. After 11, I'm going to start using the MACD 15 as confluence, as an added indicator. And then exits, whichever come first, either a 10-point take profit or the MACD crossover, which happens if things are going slow and my take profit is kind of far away or above the top of the move, if I start seeing it roll over on the MACD 15, then I have permission to get out of the trade early. But that's the only time I should be getting out of the trade early. Okay, so market is open. Let's see how we do today. I'm really going to stick to these today and just see how we fare. Also, there's a baby in the background today, so it might be a little noise. Why is this not set up? Let's get this set up. I think today's kind of going to be bearish. So let's see, yeah. After yesterday's dip, look at this. Gave back basically everything yesterday. Alright, this first 15 is looking pretty bearish. It's only been a minute, but we'll see. It looks like we're going to flush down, so this is a breakout. I'm going to wait to see if this comes back up. ADX, it's moving pretty quickly. Going from, oh, that's because I'm moving my thing. So we're at 16. It looks like it's gonna flush down. Looks like I'm gonna have to wait for a pullback now. Could have got it in pre-market, but didn't. So we are going to wait for the ADX. Some use 20, some use 25. I just started using this. I'm gonna give myself a little leeway because I've never used this before, so I don't know if 2025 is gonna be the answer. We're at 18 now. It looks like we're gonna push and cross that over. So at this point, I'm just hoping for a pullback. See if we get to 20. So we're breaking down pretty decisively here. So I'm just gonna wait for this pullback. Ideally, I'd like it to be really close to the VWAP, which is at 63.43. So we'll see if we can get back up there. Okay, ADX just crossed 20. It's moving. Is this all the pullback we're gonna get? Oh, there's nice. Can we get more? Can we get more?
Order filled.
Okay. We are in. Where are my... Oh my god. I got MES on the ticket. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Let's see if I'm still in position.
Order filled.
Hopefully I wasn't too early. Could have got a better entry. Hey, buddy. Oh, I don't need this right now. So let me see. ADX did cross 20. Drop back down a little bit during the pullback. I got in. Now I I have an MES and an ES going right now. I'll just let them both run. Could have got 2 points better on my entry. Another 5 minutes, we got some consolidation. You know, the ADX is at 19. Maybe 25 is a safer play. We'll see. I guess ideally, based on the volume profile, it would have been better if my stop loss is out of the traffic. Yeah, if I had waited to get in around here, my stop loss would be out of the traffic. But we'll see. Now this trend looks like it's reversing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. I think here's the entry I was looking for. Jump the gun again on an early entry. Early market, I should definitely just wait. I feel like it's still coming down, but maybe not yet. Yeah, this is about to take me out. Hey, go play with your toys.
Stop filled.
Yeah. So here I am out. I think this should actually be my entry.
Stop filled.
Took me out of MES. Alright, so we're down. Down on the day. It's always annoying starting off with a loss. It just sets you back for the day. Start off with a win. It's like, leave and go do something. Maybe I stick with the ADX at 25. So we'll wait. Sideways action. computer.
But-
You can watch Storybots. It's about the storm outside.
What?
It's a storm.
What? What? What?
Hmm?
What? Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Boo. 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 Baba. Boo. 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 When Boo. Venom.
See, now I feel like I should have got in, like where my stop loss was, where I said that was a better entry. Now we're rolling back over.
Huh? That?
Yep.
What?
Let's see if this bounces and then goes back down.
Bah.
But we're still not in a definitive trend. Just because we're still in the zone. We'll see. See how these signals pan out? It's weird that ADX is still 13. Continue out.
Anna? No.
See this breakdown. MACD is about to cross over.
No.
Struggling a bit here. Expect this to flush. Oh, now you're hungry? You weren't hungry when I was trying to give you breakfast.
What?
Yep, there it goes. That would have been my take profit. It's a little annoying. It's early and I didn't get back in. We'll see. ADX is creeping up. Hmm?
Ba. 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 Ba.
This is just gonna dump. NQ is down 0.5%.
Ba. Ba.
We'll probably follow them.
Ba. 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 Ba.
We'll see if I get a
What?
chance for another entry.
Hello?
It's about to dump. I hate when I'm right, but I'm early, which means I'm wrong.
Ba. Ba.
Alright. So unless this just goes down all day, we're waiting for a pullback.
Ba.
Alright, ADX starts at 27. Yeah. Look at this thing go.
Ga.
Look at this thing go. Good Lord. Hurts to not be a part of this move. All because I was impatient. this can do. Let's see what this pullback can get to. Can you get to 35? There we go. Where can we get? You can do better than that. You can do better than that. Let's go. Keep moving.
Order filled.
Just did not have confidence that after the strong move it's going to make it back to the VWAP. The trend is still intact. It's only been 20 minutes in the market. Seems like a lifetime. be honest, I thought about adding another contract right here, adding to my winner. I didn't. Maybe it would have been smart, but it's okay. Alright, let's get a little bit lower. Let's get to my stop. Just right above blows. Hey, are you kidding me? Did you hit my stop and then bounce? At low of the day? Did you really do that? Yeah, you did. Like, let's lower this candle. Yep. Literally hit my stop, but I didn't get filled. Right at the low of the day. Just give me another chance to add one. No, I won't. I'll let it play out. I can't believe it ticked my stop. Bounced right off it. Bounced right off it. Come on, we just need one strong push down. This can't be the low of the day. Let's go. Hit my TP. Get me out of this. We're there again.
Order filled.
Thank you very much. Okay, once again, fucking early. Ugh, I gotta work on that. Sheesh. Can't wait till I'm skilled enough to ride waves like this. But this is a breakout. I need to learn more about breakouts. But waited for this pullback, was patient with this strong move. I didn't think there was any way we were gonna get back to VWAP. So I got in, I waited here, got back in for a better entry here. Saw it was weakening. Hopped in, rode this down. Had a couple spots where I could have added to my position. But played it safe. It's perfectly fine with me. Ticked my take profit here, didn't get filled. Had to wait. Got it here, got filled. Now it looks like we're getting a little consolidation. Bouncing back up. Oh boy, would I have been upset had I not got filled right there. Look at this thing pulling back. Still bearish, but we'll see. Let's see. ADX is at 17 now. so obviously weaker trend signal.
Slide up or down to keep playing.
So I might have got lucky with that exit.
How are you feeling? Pick an emoji.
And this comes back down.
Slide up or down to keep playing. Hello, how are you feeling? Numbers. Yippee. Numbers. What? What?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
What?
Hey, you want to eat breakfast?
What? What?
Yeah.
What?
Alright, not sure what we're doing now. I'm happy with this. I actually followed my trade rules.
What?
Let me see. Pull back to the view on it. I wonder. There's no way. So I'm just thinking about this rule. I don't think there's any way I can be super mechanical about that as far as how far away. Because depending on the size of the move, I'm just not confident that it'll even get close to it like we saw right there. So I think that's just something that's still going to have to be subjective, unfortunately.
What?
See, this thing is pulling back still now, but not confident.
Ooh.
To be honest, not confident in that strength to continue down for the rest of the day. What's NASDAQ doing?
Wait.
Oh, still down. Still down bad.
But. Wow. Well. Well.
Down.
Whoa. Very go.
Still extremely bearish on the MACD.
Wow.
This could be another spot to short.
Wow.
But the trend's just not strong here on my entries. Like, this is probably gonna turn back over, but I don't know. I don't know anything. Maybe it goes higher. Maybe that is the bottom. Who knows? Who knows? Not I. If that is the bottom of the day, I lucked out. And the funny thing is, if I had entered here, I would have not hit my take profit. It would have fully reversed on me. And right now I'd be break even. Actually down a little bit. Contemplating my life. But if we look on long term, like this is still, we're not even close to getting this back. Maybe it grinds higher. Hey buddy, come on, we're gonna go downstairs. Yeah, MACD is still extremely bearish. Could be a continuation. This might be a place to short. But I'm not getting in this trade. Let me see, up 233 on the day. 2 trades, 522. Lost 275 because I had that MES contract on accident. 233 on the day. Oh yeah, I had a tiny small. See that 22? I held an overnight MES position, just messing around with it. And that's why that's there. Yeah, see if this rolls over. I gotta send a text to my friend. I have one other person in the world who does this. I was early here, looking to bounce off the VWAP. It came back up and stopped me out, and then the move took off. I was mad I didn't get back in, but I did get this pullback right here. Now I don't know what it's gonna do, but I'm probably done for the day.
Huh?
Alright, that's it. I'm out. Thanks, like, subscribe. I'm taking my money. And I'm outie until I see something different. Which I don't even know if I'm interested in. I got shit to do today. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. We got our ADX or 21. MACD's still down, but that's because it's time based. But it is starting to curl over. This could be a nice recovery spot. Or we could, let me see, it broke again. Is this the recovery? We're at the VWAP now. Maybe we wait. Let me see, ADX is 19. Yeah, maybe we wait a little bit. Maybe wait for this to really break. Get a real retest. Because this, I don't know if that's the test we need. Because looking over here, this might just break down again. So if we can get above this substantially and then come back down and then take off, I might be interested. A nice recovery. But does this hit here and then come back? We don't know. Just don't know. So maybe I set an alert to see if we get back up here, and then maybe I'll start watching again. Let me get that alert. 6338. Six, three, 8. We break 6338, go up, and then come back down and test this. The ADX should be, 2025. The RSI will at least have started to turn back up. We'll see. It looks like it peaked down here. It's slowly turning back up. But we'll see if we get that. So I'm gonna watch 6338. Okay, let's see. We are back. This retest. See, we are rolling over here. Are we gonna respect it this time? ADX at 24. 16. Did it get to 20 at any point? No. Just means it's not a super strong trend. See what we got here. The fact that we're back up here. Now is this a double top? That's the question. And if so, is this a neckline? Because that's a long ways. My alert technically did not get hit. I just noticed this. Let's see if we're respecting it this time. Still don't have a strong trend though. I think we need this to get up here and then come back down to really test that VWAP. There's a reversal. But I think we have what it takes to get back up above but I'm not going to enter just yet. I mean, I want to, but that would be more of a, I don't know, breakout-ish, anticipating the breakout, as opposed to a true, let me see. So at this point, the ADX reached 25. Then we had this pullback. It's still 27. So we did hit that until this. So it's like, do I wait for the next ADX? Because it hit that momentum. We pull back a little bit, which is to be expected. And then now we go, right? I think I might get in this because I think we're going to respect it this time. So ADX did trigger. Or do I wait for the next stronger uptrend? Decisions. At 36. I stop at 31. Looks like we might be good breaking out here, but I think I'm just going to be patient on this one. Already up. Let's let this rip. If it comes back down, then we'll get an entry. Looks like this is getting respected. And we're gonna move. There we go. There's a move. There's my alert. Now I want to see this ADX climb fast. I want it to get over, I want 25 again, and then we can wait for another legitimate retest. I want the trend to be crystal clear. And on this time frame, it's not. Because I'm not factoring back in all the way over here. More clear direction over here. This could be an entry. But again, it's not a sure thing. Let me see what I can do here. This might be the reaction for that jump up, and then it's going to climb higher. But it's still a small time frame. Let's see. This is suggesting I use a 10 for these tick charts. Um, 10, that means we broke 20 here.
Order filled.
Alright, so we're going to buy off that bounce. Taking this ADX20 as a signal. Bouncing off VWAP. Again, we came up here, broke down, came up, bounced, came back, bounced again. Here on the 15 MACD, seems like we're curling over here. It's not obviously definitive, but it does look like, you know, this recovery is, it's slow moving, but it's moving. My stop loss is out of immediate traffic, but like here is safe, but that's just too much space. So we'll see if this gets respected or not, or if I give up the gains. We bounced up. Definitely a level of interest. You know, we got 1, 2, 3 attempts, but is this where we break down? And if so, do we just drop straight down? Is this where the reversal comes in? That'll be unfortunate. Because now ADX is down to 13 with this drop. Very unfortunate. Doesn't look like it's getting respected. It's come down 100% from that move. I waited for something stronger. Oh, this is fail. You know, I should have waited. Complete fail.
Stop filled.
Yeah, rejection. Alright. Get back to today's games. Maybe that was just not holding. I'm like this, I'm like, why don't I just fucking walk away and not come back here? What?
What happened to you? You slept your breakfast.
Yeah, I know. I'm doing stuff.
Huh? You're gonna have to put ice in your smoothie because the coconut water's not cold.
That's fine.
Order filled.
I'll let this play out.
Order filled.
Holy shit. Yeah, my face melted off right now. Here I am thinking I'm adding to a winning position. In fact, I'm just doubling a losing position. This candle right here is basically going to either make or break me. If we break out of this range, it's going to be my max loss for the day. Also, I think if this closes green, I think we're going to end up crossing here. Which would be unfortunate. All this consolidation. ADX is at 20, but it's on the upside, downside. I need to mess around with these settings more. I gotta figure out what the right settings or time length is for the ADX. But I do know the VWAP is flat, which is not good for me. That means there is no trend, regardless of what the ADX says. So I think this just means my ADX is too sensitive right now. Because we are definitely range bound. We're definitely range bound. I think the smart thing to do is to get out here because this is not my trading plan. All this consolidation is not my trading plan. And then as soon as I do get out, I'm sure it'll flush down. But that is not my trading plan. I'm too late. Go back higher now. Let me see what my limit or my stop. Come back up, hit my stop. I could have got out break even right here. I feel like there's a button I can do it easier on the app. I think it's in the trade settings. honestly. I got a lot of emotions tied up in this trade, which shouldn't be the case. I saw this flush and I thought we were golden. Came back here to my entry, added on, we popped back up. It's got a little scary. We'll see if we continue down or we bounce and go back up and wreck my face.
Order filled. Order filled.
So it might come down here, but I had to get out. This isn't my trade plan. Nice trade. Even if it did work out, wouldn't have been good for me. Look at this. This is not my trade plan. Look at that flat EMA. I think I need to edit this. This is ADX. It's too sensitive right now. By default, it was at 20. That gives me a 9, which I think is accurate, very far away. So down 71. I was up 200 earlier. I feel like I can't help myself. I waited, I could have got out for a slight profit. But that's okay. This is still no man's land. How many trades did I do today? 7. Still going backwards.